Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing great. Today's video is going to be a really quick just grocery haul. I went ahead and I went to Trader Joe's and I was looking for some Weight Watcher friendly foods and stuff like that for me and the family. So I went ahead and picked up some pretty good, like I feel like staple items. So I wanted to go ahead and show them to you. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Danielle and I am new to the Weight Watchers world. So it's a little bit of an adjustment because I am going from the keto way of eating to Weight Watchers, but so far so good and I am really enjoying it. So I'm really excited about the new options that there are out there for me to eat. So let me go ahead and just jump right in and show you what I got. Alright guys, today was shopping day, so there's like still some random stuff from other stores, but I went ahead and I picked up these sour cream and onion corn puffs. I've had these before and they're really good. They're really similar to like the Pirate's Booty or whatnot, and I think they're cheap. They're only like $1.99, but for 2.5 cups there is 4 smart points. So that's like a good amount, I feel like, for like a good snack or whatever, like if you're gonna have a sandwich or whatnot. So I picked up 2 bags of those. I got 2 things of the chicken fried rice. For 1 cup, I have the point written down. For 1 cup, it's 4 points. So I've had this before as well, and it's so good. So, you know, just as a side with something else, I think this would be pretty good, and the kids really do like it. I picked up this broccoli slaw. I have in mind to do like a coleslaw type deal with the Greek yogurt and a little bit of light mayonnaise with some seasoning salt. So that's kind of the idea I have behind it. So got that, and that's 0 points. I found this spaghetti sauce because I've been having a craving for like real spaghetti because I haven't had any in so long. This is just the organic one. This was the lowest point one that I could find while I was there, and it's 2 points for, I think it's a half a cup. So yeah, I got that. And that's the one with mushrooms. I got 3 things of garbanzo beans. I've been doing like a garbanzo bean salad with like tomatoes and onions and cucumbers and some cilantro and lime, and it's really good, and it's 0 points. So I got 3 of those. I picked up this soy chorizo. I really like this. I think it's really good. For 2.5 ounces, it is 4 points, and I figure, you know, I could add in, do like a chorizo and eggs are free. So, and you know, this will be a really filling meal for very minimal points. So I got that. I picked up some fat-free crumbled feta cheese. I think, what is the serving size? For 1 ounce, it's 0 points. So I figure I was going to make some like buffalo ranch type salads. So do a little bit of ranch and put some feta cheese in there with a little bit of buffalo sauce. So I don't know, I had a taste for it. I got this reduced guilt chunky guacamole. If you guys never had this, it is so freaking good. So I think it's 2 tablespoons is the serving size, and it's 1 point, and it's made with Greek yogurt, and I absolutely love it. It's so good, and it's definitely a must buy when I do eventually go to Trader Joe's. I always pick this up. This is not Weight Watchers friendly. This is my husband. He picked this up. I don't know why he put that can in there. It's how many points?
3.
Oh, okay. Really? For a whole can?
Yeah. 3 or 4.
3 or 4?
Yeah.
Okay, well he scanned them when I wasn't looking, and he says that these are 3 or 4 points. So if you guys...
More alcohol than a regular beer.
Oh, okay. Well, there's your selling point. So thanks, honey. Anyways, back to the real life stuff that I got here. I went ahead and picked up these chili lime chicken burgers. I've had these before. They are delicious. For each patty is 3 points, and I like to take these and top them with this guacamole, and you can use one of those thins for like 3 points. So it's like a 7-point meal, and it will fill you up. And then on this, I got a can of fat-free refried beans. I figure one day I'll do like shredded chicken tacos with some of this on top, or like a chicken bowl with some like rice cauliflower and this and some Greek yogurt, and kind of just make it, it'll be basically 0 points if it goes the way I plan. So stay for the lookout for this, because I might do another what I eat in a day and feature that. I went ahead and picked up these 2 seasonings. I am going to do the 2 ingredient bagels with the self-rising flour. So I got the everything but the bagel sesame seasoning. I heard this stuff is bomb, so picked that up. And then I also got the 21 seasoning salute. So picked both of those up because everybody always brags about those. So I picked that up. My daughter Rhea, she's doing Weight Watchers with us, and she found these, she loves these things, these turkey corn dogs, and they are 5 points per one, which I kind of think is a lot, but that's what she wanted. So yeah, she picked those up. We got a couple things of these sparkling waters, and we got a thing of the minced garlic, which is for $0. Alright guys, so that's gonna basically just wrap up this haul. My grand total I think was like $42, so not too bad. You know, it just, some of those things I can make for multiple meals and can kind of stretch and go a long way, so I'm not really too worried. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, be sure to go ahead and give this a thumbs up. I am going to do another what I eat in a day video and try to do a couple recipes. If you guys are interested, just go ahead and let me know. And as always guys, thank you for hanging out with me, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.